Okay, welcome once again to my channel Tech World. So in this video we're going to talk about one of the new and special function in Infinix Note 11 Pro mobile phone. We will activate a new option, a new thing, a new special function in this video in our Infinix Note 11 Pro mobile phone. Before going to start the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe the channel first and press the bell icon must in order to receive the notifications for each and new uploads, new contents, new videos from our side in the notification bar of your mobile phone screen. And if you have any problem, any question, any confusion related to any video, don't worry, just ask in comment. We'll try to make a video about that in order to solve the issue for you as soon as possible, or we'll simply reply, response, or answer to your comment in the comment box so that your issue may be solved as soon as possible. So now let's start the video without wasting the time. So first of all, you have to search setting option in your Android mobile phone. Once you search it, try to click on it. Now here you can see different and many options in the main home page of your mobile phone screen setting. Now what you have to do, you just have to search for an option that is special functions. Scroll down the screen and here you can see the fourth last option is special function. Just click on that. Once you click on that, here you can see a new page, a new home page will appear in the special function. Here you can see and different and many options with different functions. Again scroll down, here you will find the very first option is bookmarks, then a second is action and gesture, then peek proof, power menu and accessibility. You just have to click on the second option, that is action and gesture. Once you click on that, a new home page menu will appear for action and gesture. Here you will find different and many options with different functions. Now you just have to see and search for the second last option, that is smart screen on, right? Now what is the function of this option? You just have to click on there. They will show you a short demo for this function. Once you click on it, here you can see that the screen light up when the device is picked up and lights off when the device is lowered. This means that once you place your mobile phone on side table or somewhere else, when you pick it up, the screen light will automatically glow up or will become on. Once you place it, then the light will go off. So when you are going to activate it, now let's test it. You just have to make this option on. When you make it on, so the function will start working. Now when you place your phone on somewhere else or a table, so the screen will automatically turn off, and when you pick it, so the screen will glow up. So this is how we can activate smart screen on option in our Infinix Note 11 Pro mobile phone. Remember that you can see and you can search such option in other mobile phone as well in the special function options. So I hope you got well all about this video, that how we can activate this option. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with us. See you in next video.